Hello Python programmers. So in this video, I'm going to show you that I can create an automated email sending system using Python. So first of all, let's see that how our program will work. So just a second. Let's say that this is our Python program. Okay, this is our Python program. And this Python program will take the input from a CSV file, right? This is our CSV file, and the input that our Python program will take is first is the email address list, the list of the email addresses to which you want to send the emails, then the data required, the parameters required to create a personalized message. Let's say that their name, their phone number, their plan of subscription, their address, whatever that is. Okay, then after these parameters are received in a Python program, our Python program will send the emails with personalized message for each emails. And yeah, this is what we are going to create in this video. So we don't need to install any external package because the packages required for this project, which is CSV, smtplib, and emails, comes pre-installed with the vanilla Python installation. So we are good to go, and let's get to our editor. But before we move ahead, let's have a word from our today's sponsor. This video is sponsored by Hostinger. Hostinger is one of the most affordable hosting plan in the market. Their plans literally starts from 59 rupees per month, and this comes with a 30 days money back guarantee. And if you use my code I know Python, you will get an additional 7% off. So definitely check them out. I'll provide my coupon code as well as the registration link in their description. Okay, so now we are into our editor. So first thing that we'll do is we'll import the required libraries. So let me do that real quick. Okay, so now we have imported our required library. CSV will be used to read our CSV files. SMTP will be used to simply send our emails, and this email library will be used to add some more details to our email, like the attachments, the subject, and all these complex part of a email. This email package will handle. You can use smtplib alone to send a basic email, but we are going to create an email with the subject also. So this is why we are using this email library. Okay. So first of all, what we'll do is we'll create an email user variable. Okay. It should be email. Uh, email sender, let's say. So this is where you'll write your email address, the email address from which you want to send the emails. Then we'll write password, the password of your email address. Okay. And then the subject of our email, right? So let's say I'm writing subscription activated. Okay. Then what we'll do is we'll use our CSV file to open our emails.csv. So where is emails.csv? Just a second. Okay, so this is our email.csv. Let me open this here. Okay, so yeah, this is how our CSV file will look for this project. First is the email address, then we have the name, and we have the subscription plan. So this is somewhat project for subscription plan platform where the user will receive a email of subscription activation from the platform with a personalized message as hello, then their name, your plan, this plan name has been activated. Okay, so yeah, so first of all, let's open our CSV file now. Okay, so now we have opened our CSV file and read the data required. So first of all, we have used this R method to open this emails.csv, and the data is saved in this CSV file variable. Okay, and then we are using the csv.reader class of CSV package to extract all the data which is present in emails.csv file and then store it in reader variable. Okay, then we are going line by line in our CSV file or rows by rows in our CSV file and then extracting the data. So what is this text variable holding, or what data will be stored in this text variable? So let's see. First is hello, which is a simple string. Then line 1. So what is line 1? Line 1 is name. So hello Harshit plus your, it should be your hai, your, then line 2, which is the subscription plan. So hello Harshit, your premium plan has been activated. So this is what the output I am expecting here. Yep. Hello Harshit, your premium plan has been activated. So we want to send this email to our email address. So this was the text part, right? This was the text part. Now let's save the email address also in a variable. So let's say send email. Send email is the variable in which the email address we want to send the email to will be stored. So it will be line 0 because just a second, line 0 because line 0 is our email address. Okay, then let me write the code that is required to send the emails. Okay. Okay, so I have written the code which will be used to send our emails. This email underscore send variable will store the email address to which we want to send the emails. This is why we are writing line and then 0, because at the 0th index we have the email address. Okay, and then we have created a MIME multi-part class instance, and that class instance is this message variable. This multi-part will have these parts. First is from, the email address from which you want to send the emails, then to, the email address to which you want to send the emails, then the subject of your email, and then what we'll do is we'll attach this text variable which will have our personalized message as a plain text on this message variable, which is a MIME multi-part class instance. Okay, then we'll convert all this data which is present in our message variable into a string and then store it into this text variable. Okay, so all the data from email address to email address, subject, and the text is stored in this text variable. Okay, then here comes the part of the SMTP lib. First of all, we have to establish the server. So here we have written SMTP lib, SMTP SSL, and we are using Gmail. So smtp.gmail.com, and this is the port number. Okay, then server.login. Here you have to write the email ID from which you want to send the email, and here the password. Okay, then we'll simply write server.send mail and then the email address from which you want to send, then email address to which you want to send, and then the text that you want to send. Now here the text will have all the data. Then after the mail is sent, we'll simply do server.quit to exit our server. Okay, so yeah, this is it. This is actually the code which is required to send the mail. Now let me do one thing. Let me write the email ID and password, and let me quickly execute and show you whether this program is working or not. But before that, what you need to do is you need to go to your favorite browser in which you are logged in with the same email ID. Go to this web page. I'll provide the link below, and turn this less secure apps on so that you can use your code to send the emails. you will receive a lot of security mails telling you that you have turned this setting on. So if you are not using this Python program, make sure that this setting is turned off just for the security purpose. Okay. So yeah, now let me write the email ID and password and let me execute this code. Okay. Okay, so now I'm back. Let me execute my code. And yeah, it will take some time. It will take some time. Great. My program is executed and I have also received an email with the exact text that I want. So this is it. This was a short video in which I have shown you that how you can send multiple emails through a Python program with a personalized message. Okay. So, yep, I'll meet you in my next lecture. Bye bye.